Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I make my cornmeal as we call it in Jamaica. I grew up eating this and this is one of my favorite things to eat. The ingredients will be in the description below. So I'm gonna mix the cornmeal in some water before adding it to the pot. This will prevent it from lumping, and I'm using the refined cornmeal. Okay, so in the meantime, before we add the cornmeal mixture, add some butter to the pot. Then add the all these good, wonderful, freshly chopped seasoning. I like to use the mixed vegetables, whether the frozen one or the one in a can, but I didn't have any of that today, so I just say, you know what, improvise. I just, cut up like different color bell peppers and use that instead. Use what you have. So I'm adding some powdered seasoning to it now. Season up the pot, because we want our cornmeal to taste really good. Can't eat by itself. Yeah, nice and flavorful. So now I had the cornmeal mixture. Okay, and stir it in. So it's on medium heat. Add a little more water to it. And continue stirring. So this will take some time and patience. You gotta keep stirring it so that it remain nice and smooth. So I cover it. It's on low. So this is how it looks now. You don't have to worry about it lumping anymore. Okay. So you still stir it. I'll check it like every 5 to 10 minutes and stir it. Cover it and let it continue cooking on low heat. This is one of the ways my mother usually turn cornmeal, and sometimes she would add peas. Or now it's almost ready. So here it is after 30 minutes. Our turned cornmeal is ready. You can have it just like this by itself with some vegetable, like a vegetarian or vegan meal, or you can add your favorite meat to it. So that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.